Hello everybody, welcome back to another trip report. Today I'm at Newark Airport and I'll be flying over to Minneapolis with Delta Airlines on the Boeing 717 this morning. This will be my first time flying with Delta, my first time flying on the Boeing 717, and we're also going to be flying out of the wonderful new Terminal A at Newark, so this should be a pretty fun flight. Thank you all for watching, enjoy the video. The aircraft taking us to Minneapolis is November 893 Alpha Tango, a 717 first delivered to AirTran at the end of 2004. In 2014, it went to Delta Airlines after AirTran merged with Southwest Airlines, and Southwest sold all of AirTran's 717s to Delta. Let's take a look at the seat here on the 717. Since this isn't the most modern interior, there aren't any screens on the back of the seat, but you still have the standard tray table and seat back pocket with Delta's safety card. Legroom isn't amazing if I'm being honest, but it's alright for shorter flights like this. We push back from gate Alpha 6 right on schedule. We took off from runway 22 right in Newark and immediately turned northwest towards Minneapolis. As we briefly entered Canadian airspace near Michigan, the crew handed out some snacks like these delicious chips and a bottle of water. There was Wi-Fi available on this flight for $6 for 30 minutes and $22 for the whole flight, as well as free messaging. Now I only tried the messaging because I didn't want to pay for Wi-Fi, and it actually worked pretty well. The Boeing 717 was first designed by McDonnell Douglas in the late 90s as the MD-95 and was based on the design of the DC-9 and MD-80 families. In 1997, McDonnell Douglas merged with Boeing, who renamed the MD-95 project to the Boeing 717. Obviously, the 717 looks very similar to the DC-9 and MD-80, but has more modern technology and a similar flight deck to the MD-11. Only 156 of these aircraft were built, and as of April 2024, around 100 remain in service with Delta, Hawaiian Airlines, and QantasLink. We started our descent into Minneapolis over western Wisconsin. We landed on runway 30 right in Minneapolis around half an hour ahead of schedule after flying for 2 hours and 9 minutes cruising at 34,000 feet. Overall, this was a pretty cool flight, and it was great to fly the Boeing 717 before Delta starts retiring them soon. However, it's not the most comfortable aircraft to fly on. The interior is kind of outdated and the air conditioning is super loud for some reason, but it's not that bad for short flights, and this is actually one of the longest flights that Delta 717s fly on. Thank you guys for watching, have a great day.